we human beings, or divine beings having a human experience, we are unique among the animals in many ways, but one of the important things that makes us unique is that we have the capacity to envision possibilities beyond our present experience, where we are not trapped in our current circumstances. Think about that. That's huge. We have the power to envision a new possibility, therefore, to create a new possibility. That's what we have. And, imagination is a very important part of the affirmative prayer process. You find it in the kind of realization stage. So, okay, so we've relaxed our physical body, right? We've relaxed our focus on the problem, on the current circumstance of our life. We're relaxing our attachment to the relative world, the temporary world of effect. And when we do that, we're then able to enter a higher dimension, that realm of limitless possibilities. And then that's the place where we can see what's possible. And of course, we're connecting with that divine presence. We're affirming and knowing that we are that divine one expressing. And because we are that divine one expressing, whatever's true of the divine is true of us. So we're an expression of infinite peace, of pure joy, of limitless love. We're an expression of wholeness and well-being. We're an expression of intelligence and wisdom. We're an expression of limitless abundance and prosperity. All of those qualities of the universal divine, we are an expression of a unique point of light, expressing that. So, right, we got that. And now, and we spend some time, playing in that energy, like I talk about in my book. That's the place we want to play in, that energy. And then we move to the realization where we are realizing that what it is we truly desire, our heart's desire, whatever we desire to do or have or be, that is already the spiritual truth. It's already an idea in the mind of the universe. It's already the spiritual truth of us. And so when we claim it and envision it, see, this is where the imagination comes in. When we're activating the power of our imagination, is like aligning all levels of our being with that desired good. And now here's the thing, really important. When you're doing this, you don't want to imagine your good as being in the future, somewhere out there at a future time. No, you want to remember that it is yours now, that it is the reality now. It's like I always think of Emily Cady's book, Lessons in Truth, where she says, that whatever it is you truly, your heart's desire is already the spiritual reality, is already yours. And the desire that you feel is like the universe knocking on the door of your consciousness saying, here it is. This is already yours. It's waiting for you. Accept it. Accept it. Right? And so imagination really helps us accept it. This is the visioning part of the power of imagination. So we want to see this desired good as already here now, and you want to see it in all of its colorful detail. Make it vivid, make it real. How does it feel? What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it smell like? What is the feeling of walking through your day with this vision realized? And really allow yourself to fill in, make it colorful, make it vibrant, make it real. And so again, this is you're aligning yourself with the yes. With the yes, I'm accepting. Yes, this is mine. And then what happens is that good, which you are doing your affirmative prayer on, then just naturally unfolds in your life. It just blossoms in your experience. And then of course you follow your divine guidance to do whatever it is you need to do in the outside world. You follow your guidance and you release it and give thanks. Wow. Thank you for the realization that this is already here. Thank you for the power of imagination, that I can bring it into my experience. I am creating something new, this new possibility, right? I'm creating something new. So let's have a little experience with that now. Let's practice that a little bit. So bring to mind something that you truly desire, a heart's desire, maybe something you've been longing for a long time. And then take a deep breath and close your eyes. And then just allow yourself, activating that power of imagination that Reverend Pat was leading us in that meditation, feeling that color of it, that sky blue, the location in your brain, just feeling the energy of that awakening, that power center within us. And then just that heart's desire, just bring that to mind, and with that activated power of imagination now, just imagine that this is here now, that this is already done. That you're reading the newspaper. The headline in the newspaper is, hallelujah, this healing has happened. This good has manifested. It is here now. And to just feel it. You want to feel the sensation of that. What does it feel like? What does it look like? What do your surroundings look like? What does it smell like? Are there any sounds associated with this? How are other people reacting to you now? How are you experiencing your relationships with others? Just ease into this feeling of this good joyously unfolding in your life right now. Breathe it in. And let's give thanks in this moment for the realization that it's here, for our power as co-creators to call it forth. And I say, I accept this good now. Let's say that together. I accept this good now. And so it is. All right. Take a nice deep breath. Bring our awareness back